Hey guys, this is Sukhveer. I welcome you guys on my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get notifications. Here I'm gonna show you how to use Format Painter in Microsoft Excel. Format Painter is used to copy a formatting from one place and we can apply it to another place. So that means we can copy from one element and we can apply to another element or multiple elements. So here in this cell on this text I have applied some formatting. I made the color red, italic and bold, and I also changed the font and font size. So I want to copy this formatting and I'm gonna apply here. Let's see how we can do that. So we have to select this text. We have to select this cell and then click on the Format Painter brush. So see, our symbol is changed now. So I'm gonna click on this cell. See, the format is applied. So if we want to apply here, we have to go back to the same step. However, there is another way. So to do that, we have to select same like this cell, the formatting cell from where we want to copy. And if we double click the brush, it will lock the formatting and then we can apply it to multiple times. So like I'm gonna apply here, so see, I have applied twice. So if we clicked once, then we can apply it only at one element. If we want to apply at multiple places, then we can click twice, so like double click. So if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.